How to change number in WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application and it will lead you here to your chats. Now here on your chats, you will see all your conversation. Now on the bottom part, you will see five different options. You'll see status, calls, communities, chats, and settings. So here in your settings, tap on the account here and then there will be a lot of options. There are actually five. And you will see change number. Tap on that and here you have to change your number to migrate your contact info. So tap on next on the upper right and here you have to input your old number and then your new phone number, then tap on next and here you have to tap on notify contacts. If you toggle that on, all your contacts from your old number will still be saved on your recent or your new number. So tap on all contacts and tap on done on the upper right and then just tap on yes and it will actually give you a verification to confirm your change in number. And basically that's it. That is how you change number in WhatsApp. If this video helped you, please give some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.